What's up everyone and welcome to my vlog. Yes! So for today's video, there is an amazing thing. Amazing thing! Oo, merong bagay-bagay na napaka-amazing. It's just because dumating na ang aming Starlink internet. Yes, Ma'am Jinky? Dumating na ang aming Starlink na internet. So, this is my first vlog doing that thing. It's just because it's very expensive and yet I am so beautiful. So together with me here is Maria Queni. Oh, diba? So I'm here right now at the balcony. So and look who they are. They are buying siomai. Alright, so there's the sunset and then here the Starlink. Yeah, oh, diba? The Starlink. Let's unbox this one. So, let's go. O, diba? Makita na ko na ako?
Dili.
Hindi makita na ko na ako?
Dili lagi ka mag...
Starlink na nabili. So, this is the Starlink that we ordered. So, let's unbox this. And Queenie, Ma'am Queenie, yes? Pahiram ng kutsilyo, bilis. Ayan, gamitin natin kutsilyo para ma-unbox natin ang Starlink. So, para magkaroon na kami ng internet connection, tinawara ko yun? Internet connection here in the Middle East. Wow! So, ayan. So, as you can see, oh, ay sa panawag dahil nag-vlog. So this is the planjo. Okay.
Play na?
Play na yan. Wala pa na wala na mag-vlog.
Wala. Hindi man makita yung mong noun.
Play naman. Agi lang. Basta ka rin lang yun. So stop. Go. So this is the Starlink of the Elon Musk. So ayun guys, this is my first ever witness the Starlink bag. So it's very diba? So let's open this one. So first things first, tindog ka job. Yun, doon ka kahapon. We need to unbox this one. We need to find the door. The door. Alright, so let's have this. Okay. Ito pala. Okay. By using this, let's open. So, this is the Starlink box, and this is the box of the dish that we're going to use. English yun! Diba? So, charan! Andito na. And then, let's get this kind of parang tray ng itlog. So, tingnan nyo guys, para napaka-sturdy. When we say sturdy, it's very strong. It's strong! So, ayun guys. So, let's unbox this pan. And, oh my God! This is the dish. Ayan, the first things first, the base. Base ito ng, a dish. Tapos, ito na yung mismong dish niya. Ayan, di ba? At meron ding manual. So, may manual na siya. Tapos, meron na siyang cord. Yung cord niya is like this one, parang HDMI na maliit. So, mataas-taas yung cord niya, guys. So, let's, this one? Wait lang. Alright. So, and also, here's the Starlink sticker. O, diba? Bongga. Yan na Starlink sticker. And then, we have the modem. This is the modem. Oh my God. It's very... Oh, diba? Silicone. So, ayan. And also, this is the plug. In which we're going to put this one to the modem. So, let's say, modem and then Ilat na. So, isap sa joke. Saksakan. So, as you can see, the modem, sa baba niyan is meron siyang lagayan nito ay saksakan nito. So dito natin isasaksak. So lapit ka, Job. Ma'am Job, lapit ka. Ilapit mo dito. Isaksak natin. Yan. Saksak natin dyan. Dyan natin isasaksak. Dito. So dyan natin isasaksak. Ayan. So nasaksak na natin. And then, kunin muna natin to. Because we need to put the dish, itong dish, layo pa gamit ko. Itong dish dito kasi ito kasing dish na to ay automatic tong nagro-rotate. So automatic siyang nagro-rotate kaya no problem. Ito na ba to? Wala na ba tong ano? O yan na pala yun. Okay, let's have this one. And let's put this into this. Yan. Nalagay na natin ang Starlink. So, first things first, we need to put this modem to the inside of the house. English on! O sige. So, watch out. Tara guys, punta tayo dun sa loob. Kasi para masaksak natin tong modem ng Starlink and also the para ilagay natin diyan sa may outdoor. So let's go. So as you can see, parang dito namin ang spot na ilagay itong Starlink router. Yes, and these are the teachers, the principals. Okay, saan na? So ayan. Itaod na namo ang kuan. So yeah, dato na siya ibutang atong nay karton niya. Ipahigda. Okay. Hindi, ikulob.
Ay, kulo na.
Kana.
Ay, nanar na siyang kuha na.
Patindog. So yan guys, nag-set up na ako kasi madilim na. Kasi madilim na guys, tapos almost na kami na nag-set up. So doon sa install doon sa Starlink na yung dish. So ayan, nag-set up na ako, nag-connect na ako ng Starlink, tapos nilagay ko na yung mga pangalan at sinet up ko na din yung password. So ayan na. So, na-set up ko na, tapos ayan na. And then, yun, nakagawa na ako. Hindi ko na pinakita. It's just because gumagawa ako ng password at account. So, ayan na po guys. As of now, kasi maambon. So, meron naman tayong 177 Mbps. Meron tayong 177 Mbps kasi maambon pa guys. So hanggang dito na po. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and I love you so much. Bye bye.